Thank you for joining us today for our RE/MAX Realty Group Quick Hit. Today we are here with Eric Railing, Associate Broker Owner, to answer the question, should I put an addition on my house or move? Eric?
It's a great question. There's a couple points actually that I would think through. It's a very common question we're getting today. Clearly, it's a bit more of a buyer's market. So we've seen some prices start to stabilize. They were declining for a while there, and now hopefully starting to stabilize. And so, what does that mean? Well, the most important thing you're going to want to do is to have your real estate agent out just to try to give you a feel for what is the value of my home today, and then also what is the value of my home once I put this addition on. Is it a 500 square foot addition? Is it a 1,500 square foot addition? These are all things that your real estate agent should be able to help you out with identifying, what homes in your neighborhood would sell for with the larger square footage. Now, the appraisal is a little bit more technical. If you're going to need a home equity loan or some sort of bank financing to help you pay for the cost of this addition or the cost of the changes, you're going to want to get an appraisal. Now, I would just remind you that if the appraised value is lower than what your real estate agent thinks, that the appraised value is the one that matters from the bank's perspective. So you may not be able to get as much financing from the bank if that appraised value comes in lower. One of the things that's hard on an appraiser is to identify the future value. Again, in today's relatively tight credit market, banks are really pulling back the reins on lending money on a future value of a property. So you just want to keep that in mind. Ultimately, if the market can sustain and you're in an area where if you live in a single family home, for example, and there's larger, bigger, younger homes in your area, sometimes it does make sense to do that. Obviously, interest rates are incredibly low right now, and you can take advantage of those low rates with a home equity loan. So just a couple points to consider when you're thinking about it.